I've been at GISD for 6 years this coming April, and maintenance electrician in our maintenance department. I prefer to try to start pretty early in the mornings, get in there before teachers and children are in there in the rooms and students, get everything lights fixed or troubleshoot. I do a lot more than electrical. If whatever we need a hand in maintenance, I'll help and do. If I have to mow, weed eat, move stuff for testing, build desks, chairs, just various things, tables.
Mr. Turbeville is a very quiet and rarely says a word to anyone, but does a fantastic job as a GISD electrician. Whenever there are lights out or an outlet is not working, he fixes it immediately. Work orders are completed literally within 24 hours of submission.
I work with the IT department a lot, adding data lines, install TVs, try to make sure all the outside lighting's good on all the campuses for security purposes. And if there's a power outage, I try to communicate with Encore Electric and then the principal or whoever's over that.
If he wasn't so efficient, students would be in classrooms with blinking lights or with instructional devices that don't operate. So though he doesn't have an impact directly on students, he has a major impact indirectly.
Well, about a month ago we had a AC unit tripping the breaker, knocking out the lighting in all the classrooms, throwing the breaker at the intermediate school. And just try to communicate with all the teachers because it's knocking out the whole wing in the hallways and classrooms of that, and try to troubleshoot it, and we got it figured out pretty quick and got the breaker on, and till we could fix the AC at a later date and the wiring and go into it.
He recently installed new LED lighting in our hallways that will save the district thousands of dollars in electricity costs. You could say, well, that's his job. But he is so efficient, timely, and professional that he goes way beyond expectations.
And he gave it a lot more modern look, I thought, and brightened it up pretty good. There's ballast going out all the time, and those lamps were going out all the time. Then you have to get the lift over here to work on them. So I got it approved to get all those fixed.
And the staff have total trust in him. They know he'll get the job done right. Just take what he does at GHS and multiply it by 5 other campuses. Everyone has the same glowing opinion of him. He doesn't say anything, but he fixes everything.
Well, I've done electrical pretty much since I got out of high school. Graduated here, went to school here, and it just always felt like home. I like it here, and when the job opportunity came open, I applied and got it, and been happy ever since.